Hello. Hello. Let's play Ode to Joy. I'm on page 10 of our How Leonard Guitar Method 1 book. Just like before, it's super important that for the notes on our first fret, we're using our first finger. So for C and F is first finger. And the notes on our third fret is our third finger, D and G. Alright, so that way we're keeping our hand still, we're keeping it in one place, so that way we don't necessarily have to look back at our hand, we can keep our eyes on the music. I have my metronome set to 62. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's that. Let me do it now. We'll do that again. I'll play the chords with it though, so you can hear what it sounds like with chords and melody. Same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Very nice. That's it. And I should say, you may have, if you've heard this song before, you may have heard the rhythm done a little bit differently at the end of each line. You kind of make that first note a little bit longer and the second note a little shorter. That's perfectly fine. We just have simplified it a little bit here, just to make it a little bit easier. But if you have heard it that way, you're more than welcome to try to play it that way too. Alright, so that's it for today. Good job.